Hello, it's Debbie here, and in this video I shall be showing you how to do the knit stitch. Now you've cast on all your stitches, you want to hold those on the left hand needle in your left hand and would be ready to start the first row of knitting. So use your right hand needle, shuffle your stitches up to the front if you need to, insert the needle into the first stitch. Use your working yarn to wrap round the right hand needle, bring the loop through exactly as when you were casting on, and then simply slide the loop off the left hand needle. Just be careful to make sure you only take one loop off and don't slide any of the extra loops off. For our next stitch, we go into the front, around the back, bring that loop to the front, and again we just slide that loop off the left hand needle. So again, go into the front of the stitch with the right hand needle, wrap the yarn around the right hand needle, bring that through the front, and then just slide that carefully off onto the right hand needle. So we've knitted 3 stitches there. Knit your final stitch in exactly the same way, and you'll have all your stitches are now on the right hand needle and your left hand needle is completely empty. So to make our next row, we're going to swap these stitches into our left hand, and this is now going to be our working needle. So just check your stitches there, and I'm going to start again. Make sure you're working with your working yarn and not knitting with your tail, which is something that happens quite often, especially when you're beginning. So just tuck your tail out of the way, and you're going to go into the first stitch, wrap round and slide off, exactly the same as we did for the last row, through, round and off. And I'll finish this row off. And the last stitch as before, and you can see there, got 2 nice rows of knitting now, and your left hand needle is empty, ready to swap over for the next row.